Here we go. Lots of traffic, lots of brake lights. Find that escape path. Great job. Great job with that escape path. Whew. Look at this. Boom. Impact. We could swerve out of the way. Multi-vehicle, 4-person impact. No bueno. Somebody was white stage, not paying attention. Wait, once again, it's a freaking Prius causing the problems. Let's take a quick look at this one. This is going to be somebody. Yeah, this is what a 60-mile-per-hour near miss looks like. This is somebody planning the ride. They're positioned for safety. Look at where they're at. They're right here, okay? They can see well. They got a good space cushion. Remember, position for safety is space cushion. It's going to be escape path, having at least one escape path, and then good line of sight. We can see super far, lots of brake lights, good space cushion, and we can escape through here, or we can escape through here. Possibly. This is kind of a little bit small shoulder, but guess what? We're motorcycles. We can do this. So he's paying attention. He is definitely in yellow stage right now, but as soon as he starts seeing a lot of brake lights and a lot of people slamming brakes, he goes into orange stage. And then immediately he's like, oh crap, I can't stop in time. You know, because my total stopping distance isn't good enough at 60 miles per hour. I got to go and swerve and find an escape path. It wasn't good enough for these people. It's not going to be good enough for us. So he's going to switch into red stage towards the end. It happens all within a split second. You have to be able to swerve, and you have to find that escape path. You just need a little narrow spot. And remember, guys, we see people lane filtering and lane splitting all the time on these areas. So guess what? That's where we can go to in an emergency. So let's go ahead and do that. So that person right there swerved. We found an escape path, and this is all we need. Thankfully, this car moved over just a little bit. Very terrible position. Very lucky, very lucky, very lucky, very lucky. But he found that escape path because they planned their ride. Very good, very smart rider. Seeks and recognized it, maintained his good skills. It happened on instinct. Probably has full gear. Probably has a nice looking beard. I mean, it's just, come on. Great job. Great job. Handled it well. All right, Scratch 83 going pretty fast. Uh-oh, we got a crest of the hill. We got a tree. We have, oh, sharp left turn. Couldn't see very much. There's the high side. Wasn't paying attention. Maybe could have handled it if he did a little bit of a slow look press and roll. High side is terrible, but if you notice, he did have full leathers on. So let's take a quick look at when he's launched in the air. So we're coming up to here. Uh-oh, we're not gonna be able to make that left-handed turn because we're going too fast. We're gonna slam the brakes. We lost rear tire traction. There's the rear tire traction fishtailing it. It's gonna grab traction last second. Uh-oh, we're gonna be ejected. And there is, at least it looks like, leathers or a full suit. Okay, so we got some gear. Hopefully that right elbow took a lot of the absorption. That right elbow armor took a lot of that absorption, so it didn't get transmitted into our humerus, into our elbow. Breaking an elbow is no buenos. There's the head into the ground, so hopefully he had a helmet, which I believe he did. Camera fell off, or his head fell off, who knows. Not good. So make sure you guys slow it down around these corners. The road is not your personal racetrack. All right, here we go. ZG29 with a quad lock. Link in the description for 10% off. Oh, yeah. So you saw the little bit of a panic there. You see the panic in the hands? Do you think we're going a little too fast? He did slow down a little bit, but he accelerated. And he was just going to go ahead and swerve around that. So we have a blind turn here. And how fast should we be going? Should we be slowing down? Maybe. But we're going to get up to here. We see a hazard here. So what he's going to do, he's just going to go ahead and accelerate, cross the double white. He's going to accelerate, try to get around this person. This person you don't know. There's an intersection right there. Who knows what's going to happen? Maybe they're turning right. Let's go ahead and get me out of the way. Take a look at all his hands. Look at his hands. Look at the panic. The panic. We went into brown stage. We barely made it out of there. It's because things are moving too fast for our brain to comprehend. Simon, here we go. I don't know if he's going with the flow of traffic. I don't know what's going on. We got side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Handled it well, saw it ahead of time, applied progressive brake pressure, handled it. All right, Uncle Cinco's MC. Oh, look forward, look forward. Found the escape. Get back on the road. Get back on the road. You got it, buddy. You got it. All right. There you go. Woo. So he's looking to the right. Looking to the right. Look at over here, though. That's what's in front of us. We're shaking our heads. Oh, this person is slowing down because they have to yield to this giant vehicle right next to him. So what do? We have to find our escape path, but we're planning our ride, you know. Trying to position a little bit. We're locating hazards, but we weren't paying attention earlier. We were white staged earlier. Now it's all of a sudden, oh, now we have to do something. I don't like the panic. Panicking is not good. Panic is not good. So you see the whole jostle? That's him locking up the brakes, starting to fishtail, releasing the brakes, and it grabs traction again. So make sure you guys are being smart riders and recognizing what's in front of you and maintaining your skills. Don't slam those brakes. On cruisers like this, probably not ABS, so you probably slam that rear brake, started to fishtail, and what you do is you release it again, and hopefully it grabs traction. All right, here we go. Right-hand turn. No Name Motovlog. Whoa, side of the elderly. Okay, here we go. So we're turning right. We can't see much. Okay, we see them already, though. Now, there's a lot of visual stuff. Plus, this is, after the fact. We have to be able to find that uncommon thing in a common situation. The side of the pedestrian, the side of the dog, the side of the vehicle, the side of whatever. We have to find that uncommon thing in a common situation. Pedestrians and people are not supposed to be in the roadway. If they cross, do they have the right of way? Yes, they do. But, people get hit all the time. So this person saw it. We didn't see it. We accelerate through, and it's because when we get up to here, this vehicle blocks our line of sight, and that's one of the big scary things. So you're constantly scanning for things. So let this be a lesson to us to scan for things. So right now we can't see anything. Line of sight. Now it's blocked. And here we go. If you hit these people, that would have been a broken hip. Broken hip, broken legs, easy, easy, easy. Okay, we're going pretty fast here. Frotzen. Are we going to be able to make this turn? Make the turn, make the turn. Please, please, please. Don't low side on the paint. Don't low side on... Hey, we made it. Very good. Oh, a little bit of a speed wobbles. A little bit of a speed wobbles. Maybe we hit a bump. Maybe our tires. Maybe we had some issues with that front end suspension, but we're going to go ahead and pick up the speed again afterwards anyways. So the suspension, okay, it did this a little bit, okay? Now, it could be because we had bad inputs. It could be because the tires messed up. It could be because one of the shocks have oil, the other one doesn't. It's leaking. Maybe they're broken or there's something going on. Maybe it's a maintenance issue. Maybe the tire, like I said, is damaged, so it's a maintenance issue. Maybe there's something in the roadway that was a little bit uneven, and it caused the suspension to start doing that because now we have a lot of speed involved with the suspension. There's so many different factors, and really at the end of the day, you typically only see this happen right here. You typically only see the speed wobbles, the death wobbles, whatever you want to call it, when we're hauling ass. You typically only see it when we're hauling ass. So if you don't want to have this, maintain your motorcycle, maintain the tires, maintain the suspension. Don't do crazy inputs in your arms. Nice and smooth. And don't go fast. That's pretty much it.